stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, The Misfit of a Demon King Academy. So in this anime story, our main character used to be a demon king, but to solve all of the conflict between human and demon races, he sacrificed himself. So now, starting in this anime, our main character has been reborn again. But the thing is that he still remembers all of the stuff from his demon lord days, and he also have all of the powers. So now, in this anime story, our main character wants to live a normal peaceful life, but other people in this anime aren't gonna let it happen. So our main character have to use his power to kill them. As for this anime, I didn't really like the story that much. Other than that, the anime is pretty entertaining. So try it out if you haven't yet. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Unbreakable Machine Doll. So in this anime story, there are some special dolls and there are some special humans who can control them. Using their dolls, they can do a lot of stuff, good or bad. So now in this anime story, our main character, he is also one of those doll users. But as for him, his doll is kinda different. Unlike other dolls, his one have emotions. That's why our main character's doll really likes our main character and wants to marry him. That's not really the point of the story, but still. So this is a revenge story where our main character's family got murdered by some doll user. To find the murderer, our main character gonna start attending a special academy. He thinks that murderer could be here. So now what's gonna happen? Will he able to find the murderer? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Boarding School Juliet. So this anime story takes place in a prestigious boarding school where our hero and heroine, both of them are leader of a different groups, black dogs and white cats. So those two groups in the school, they are rival groups. But as for our hero and heroine, they kinda like each other. But because of their group's rivalry, they can't really go out with it. So in this anime, they meet in hiding. So that's how their romantic life was progressing. But how long that's gonna last, and will they manage to come out with their romantic life? To know that, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The Master of Ragnarok. So in this anime story, in a modern time, our main character was trying out an old armor, but something happened and he teleported to a different world. So in this new world, he have all of the knowledge from his previous world, also have a smartphone he can use. So now in this anime story, a clan helped our main character, cared for him, so he decided to repay them back. So now he gonna try to help them any way he can. While doing it, he also gonna work on his own harem. So yeah, if you like a harem anime with the overpowered main character, try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Arifureta. So in this anime story, our main character with his group of classmates gone to a dungeon, but during a fight, someone betrayed our main character, and after that, they also left our main character to die on that dungeon. As for him, while trying to survive there, he was so desperate, he started eating the monsters there. And also, he found some miracle water or something. That's how he started gaining the powers of those monsters. After that, our main character on a revenge mission, trying to get super powerful and take revenge on his classmates. But soon that turned upside down when he found a vampire girl. After that point, he decided to forget about everything, started concentrating on his main job, making his own harem with some monster girls. As for me, I don't really like this anime that much. Our main character is too edgy for me. But still, you can try this anime out and judge it yourself. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.